Okay, Mr. Jack, I've hit a snag that I cannot overcome. My brains are not big enough. This piece is measured to be a 10 by 10 block. Let's see if I can get that. Just take my word on it that it's within 20 microns of being a 10mm block. It's 10.004. The size of the block is perfect. Alright, look at the top down. It was cut as 0, 90, 180, 270, and then a top down index, a flat with a pocket. Okay, so that's all good. And if you look at the pocket border, it's great as well. It's even all around, so X and Y are good. Alright, so if you look at the sides over there, everything's fine there, even borders around. Okay, my hassle becomes, look at the top of this. If you go in here now, this is 0.7 mil too thick. It should be down there. Alright. The piece is perfectly parallel. This over here measures the same as this over here, so my tramming of the A-axis is fine. The piece is parallel in this direction. It's perfectly square. Everything is perfect except for, so when it cuts this way it's all good. When it comes up, that part's too fat by 0.7mm. This section here, you can see it quite clearly in the video. Okay, so you can see there, that's too fat by 0.73 of a millimeter, exactly 0.73 every time. But every other measurement on this is accurate. So that's 1.5 mil, 1.5 mil, 1.5 mil. This is 10 mil from here to here. This is 10 mil from here to here. This over here is 10.73 millimeters. So everything over here is offset. So I don't know what to do. I can move Y. So if I move Y half of 0.73 mil, well, actually I would need to move it the whole 0.73. So if I move Y 0.73 to there, when it comes up to cut the index, Y is going to be right off over here, 0.73 there. So Z is perfect, X is perfect, everything's perfect. What the hell is going on here? Until I can solve this, the whole mill basically is unusable to me. Something very wrong in there. For what it's worth, I've double checked the measurements in Mac when it's cutting up here to what the path says it should be cutting, and it is cutting what the path says it should be cutting. Then I've double checked in the path. This, for example, is 53.5 mil, that surface over there. So if I measure in Rhino to the top of that, it's 53.5. If I check the path says 53.5. If I check the mill says it's cutting at 53.5. So all the software part of it thinks it's right. So the only thing I can think is that when this is cut in here with A dialed in properly to get straight sides, when it turns here it's elliptical, and this is going down lower. The Z is lower when it cuts this part than when it is anywhere else. So the only thing I can imagine is the A is actually rotating elliptically somehow. Let me know if you think I'm missing anything, mate. Cheers.